So the question is, find the number of possible palindromes. The alphabets given are T, Y, H, 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 T, Y, H. So what is the, so don't bother about the meaning when I ask about palindrome. Don't bother about the meaning. How many palindromes? Now I explain what is a palindrome. See, palindrome is M-A-D-A-M. When I write M-A-D-A-M, both sides will be same. When I read it from both sides, a madam, it's also madam here. Similarly, little, L-I-R-A-L, both sides will be little. Malayalam, both sides will be Malayalam. Like that, when I read it from both sides, it should be. These are all known as palindromes. These are all known as palindromes. Now to form palindromes, you should require all alphabets in even numbers. All alphabets should be in even numbers. Whatever alphabets are given should be in even numbers. There can only be one alphabet which can occur once. If it is, there is more than one letter which occurs once, you cannot form palindrome. If there is more than one letter which occurs in once or on odd numbers, you cannot form palindrome. So whatever letters are there, all will have to be in even numbers, or only one letter can be in odd number, that has got to be central letter. Here when you see the count the letters, number of letters will be 4H. H is 4, T is 2 and Y is also 2. So every alphabet is an even number. Every alphabet is an even number. So what I do is, it can be like this. H, I will fix H here, then I will have T, Y, H. H here, I will have T, Y, H. So similarly, reverse order, H here, then T, Y, H. H here, then H, T, Y, H. Similarly, H, T, I am using all the 4 ways, I am using 2 T's, I am using 2 ways. All this will have to be used. All this will have to be used. So, these 4 letters will have to be same as these 4 letters. These 4 letters will have to be same as these 4 letters. Now, what I do is I will fix H in the center first place. I will fix H in the, I am not writing all this. I will fix H in the first place. So just repeat it. I will fix H in the first place. Then I will have T, Y, H. I will have T, Y, H. Now I am fixing H in the first place. I can also have T, H, Y. Then, so it is, I repeat it. S, T, Y, H, Y like that. So I am not writing it again and again. Now S, T, H, Y. Then I will fix H. H is fixed here. Then Y, T, H. It will be H, Y, H, T. Then I am fixing H again here. H here. I will have T, T is over, Y is over, H, T, Y. And similarly H, Y, T. So this is 6. When I fix H in the first place, I will have 6 alphabets. When I fix H in the first place, I will have 6 alternatives. Now I will fix T in the first place. I will fix T in the first place. When I fix T in the first place, I will have H, H, Y. So you can repeat this, T, H, H, Y like this. It will be T here means T, H, H, Y like this. So I am not writing the other 4. I am not writing the other 4. Then I can also have T, H, Y, H. I can also have T, Y, H, H. Now I am fixing Y in the first place. So when I fix Y in the first place, it will be T, H, H. Then Y in the first place, T, H, T, H. And then Y in the first place again, this will be H, H, T. So I will have, this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 3, this is 3. The answer for this question is 12. The answer is 12. So this is the way I will do it. But you don't have to honestly work out like this. You don't have to honestly work out like this. So when you see here, this H, T, Y, H are 4 alphabets. Whenever I got 4, I am only talking about different alphabets. Whenever I got 4 alphabets, different alphabets will be 4 factorial. But here, these 4 alphabets are not different alphabets. So what will happen is, so this is 4 alphabets are there, it is definitely 4 factorial. 4 alphabets are there, it is definitely 4 factorial. But this H and this H are common, so you will have to divide this by 2 factorial. So this will be 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 divided by 2, this will be equal to 12. So it will be 4 factorial divided by the common letters H and H, 2H will be there, 2 factorial. So it will be 24 divided by 2 will be 12. This is the shortcut of doing it, the easier way of doing it. Understanding the question first, what is a palindrome, then how it is to be done, then the shortcuts, just by seeing it, you can give the answer as 12. Subscribe to my channel, it is free of cost. I will be adding questions every now and then.